Oh, looks very interesting.
You just
Look at it.
Oh my god! I smell something. What is it? Is it chocolate?
Hey, can you come help me myself?
What are you doing? What is it?
I'm just folding your clothes.
You're being sneaky.
No, I'm not.
I hear something.
That's the movie.
No, because you're trying to hide it. Lex, stop playing.
What?